Hello, and welcome to part 2 of the travel videos sponsored through the NICE program. Again, congratulations on being accepted to travel abroad with the NICE program. Aside from the responsibilities of being a respectful citizen while abroad, there are also some suggestions that we have to keep the trip comfortable for you. By now, you should know that your passport cannot expire within 3 months of travel, so ensure that the expiration date is well beyond your time of travel. We encourage you to keep your passport in a safe location at your homestay house and to make a copy to carry around with you in case you need identification while traveling, while also reducing the odds of losing it. For communication, most students use the free texting application WhatsApp while abroad. We will be using WhatsApp while abroad to communicate among each other. We recommend you sign up for an account. We also recommend you call your cell phone company to verify the availability of international calling access and to discuss the available plans that work best for your family. Money is always a big question. How much should we bring? Well, it is a personal choice. Almost all meals, transportation, entry to museums, etc. are included in the price of the trip. The only money needed is for souvenirs and maybe a snack or two. People have bought from $200 to literally a credit card without a limit. It's best for the family to sit down and think of a reasonable budget for their needs. What will realistically be purchased and for who? Please be sure to call your bank and let them know you will have a traveler abroad so there is not a block on the card. Be sure to communicate with your bank about international purchases, as there is often an extra charge for purchases while made abroad, both for credit cards and ATM cards. Therefore, if possible, we recommend exchanging money at your personal bank in the United States. If necessary, students can exchange money at the airport, but it can be expensive, and we are unsure if students will have time to stop at a bank while abroad with their host family. $200 may be a good number to consider. For medical insurance and other personal insurance, you can find it by typing international travel insurance into Google. This is a decision to be made family by family. Because of our ever-changing world, as soon as you commit to traveling, we ask that you check the CDC website for any recommended vaccinations for your country of travel or consider visiting a travel clinic that can be found throughout the state through Google. Pack lightly and recycle clothes. Remember that we are going to old cities and you're responsible for possibly pulling your own suitcases from one location to the other, for example, from the bus to the car, even on cobblestones. Be prepared and bring only what you can maneuver. Also, you may buy a lot of souvenirs on the trip, so keep that extra space and weight in mind for your travels. Be sure to check TSA guidelines for the latest information. Please be sure that your suitcase is under 50 pounds and don't forget to include extra weight that you may have on your return with purchases made abroad. Try not to bring any liquid or gels through the security check and don't lock your suitcases as TSA may need to go through it. Please remember the everyday details of life. Don't forget to pack any toiletries or things you'll need. For example, adapters for the outlets to be able to charge your phone that can be found on Amazon is a common purchase that needs to be made and may be forgotten. Other things you may not think about that you may need are things such as feminine products or contact solution. Also remember to bring any medications in their original bottles, and don't forget to bring a gift for your host family. For example, in the past, people have bought a Newtown blanket for a family, or you can bring an assortment of foods that are from New England. For example, one year a person bought a piece of local art and a container of fluff since it is something that is unique to New England. In order to keep up to date with the latest information about happenings abroad and to ensure your safety and communications from the U.S. government, we recommend you sign up for the STEP program at step.state.gov. If you have a chance, please share your memories on the Google Drive folder for both pictures and videos. Please remember to always contact the chaperone on the trip first with any concerns, but don't hesitate to call the program manager. And again, have a safe, wonderful trip. Congratulations and enjoy the journey.